Hi everybody, this is Prasad Naidu here from Lighthouse Insights, and today we have Avinash Saxena from Giveter and his co-founder Mayank.
Hi Prashant. Hello, I'm Avinash, and before co-founding Giveter 1.5 years back, I was at Zomato heading their technology team, and before that, I was studying at IIT Delhi and passed out in 2006.
Hi, this is Mayank. We were both together at IIT Delhi in 2006. I went and did management studies in Paris, and then I was a management consultant with Schlumberger Business Consulting before this. So we felt that, in real life, the way we used to find gifts, there was nothing, replicating that mindset and that thought process on the web. So we thought that there is a requirement of a platform, where the solution can replicate what we actually do in real life. Like, we're very thoughtful about whom do we want to gift, what is the person like, what are my practical constraints, and then once I've thought about this, then I want to create a range of products reflecting that particular situation. So Giveter is all about that. So we partner with a lot of websites, web stores, and we curate the best of products and try to understand users' particular need, what a recipient would like, and then suggest those products.
Social gifting space, the real challenge is to understand the relevance of what you are going to give to whom at what time, what occasion, and then present that thing. So because social gives a lot of data on what are your important people in your life, what are the occasions when you should give. But with that lot of data, lot of noise is also induced into the whole system.
Right.
So the trick is to separate the noise out and know the exact reason why someone is here and present him the most right options to. So our funds primarily will be used to make our products, our products really, really good. So that is one thing, which means having the best UI UX experience for the user while using it. And second thing is having best algorithms to help people find what they love here on these products and what their loved ones would love to have. And also, growing our team to make a solid foundation. Second thing will be to raise awareness about these products among the people. So marketing on different forums through different channels that exist. So these are the two main areas on which we are going to use this product. But primarily product development is our.
So at the core, if you understand our philosophy, the name of our company is also Relevant eSolutions. So at the core, what we are trying to do is, we are trying to understand different tastes. So we are building taste graphs. And on the other side, we are understanding the whole product base. So in case of Giveter, it was specific to gifting. And for fashion, it's broader to the whole fashion world. But the main thing that we're doing is, again, matching taste with products, different best set of product for particular taste.
So from Giveter, the experience we got was that when you are using data to provide right and relevant information to people according to their taste, then you are able to satisfy their needs when they come to your website at a very high, as a good rate of conversion rates. So that which tells us that people actually need a service like this, where they want to discover things according to their taste and their social behavior and people who are their friends and their followers, and they want a service which can provide them data from everywhere. So you can say, for example, some time back Google was like text-based search, which helped people find things. There is going to be a good kind of revolution in this space where people are going to discover new things through their taste as well as taste of the people they care about. So as far as products considered, mobile apps are going to be there in a very recent future, as in a month or 1.5. So we think mobile apps, of course, is really big. Actually, a good percentage of our users are already using us on their mobile devices. So any kind of discovery or any kind of search business or a product has to have a very strong mobile strategy and mobile product. I mean by strategy. So it's ours are going to come very soon, and then most of our work is going to be around making things very relevant. So at the core of it, we are very much a data company, you can say, or and data and content company, you can say. So we're going to make these two things very strong. So we should be able to suggest gifts and fashion products better than Google in coming months. And our content team which is also getting much better and very strengthened, should be able to find and suggest best things out of the whole plethora of products available on the e-commerce space. So that is our core area. So it's going to be primarily on making products better. First of all, I think India as a startup is a very good place to do startup, and online is a great place to be right now. We are extremely optimistic about the space, both in the commerce sense and of general as in other value-adding products or based on online products. And second is one of my personal is one should be original in what they are trying to do, understand people and do things their own way. So that is one of our advice.
There's no easy way out. You have to focus and you have to keep on doing it.
So we in a company, we hate Jugaad. By the way, we think it's an extremely overrated word, Jugaad. To do things at scale and do it in the right way, you have to do it right. And every time we had taken shortcuts or we tried to put Jugaad in places, we have to come back to it several times and do things in the right way. So I think do less and do right is what our motto is always.
You guys, thanks for your time. Good luck to Giveter and to your team.
Thanks for it. It was nice talking to you.